2 tips for losing weight. Prepare and eliminate. Thank you so much, everybody. My name is Liberty V Justice, and there's no period in my V because my victories never end, and yours don't have to either, my friends. You're worth it, so work it. Check it out. I'm going to make this one a boom, really powerful episode for you. Y'all are going to love this, okay? I'm going to teach y'all how I lost the weight, all right? So everybody wants to know, how did you lose 250 pounds? Liberty, help me lose weight. And, I was fighting it all this time, and I was like, come on, man, life isn't just about numbers, but, so here's what it is. I'm going to teach you how to lose weight. I'm going to teach you, though, how to keep it off, because I'm going to teach you how to be healthy, mentally, emotionally, socially, spiritually, and physically, okay? Because everything is all connected. And it's not enough just to lose weight anyway. You have to love yourself. Know that you're worth it. You have to have good people in your life, okay? So number 1, let me tell you this. I said 2 easy tips for losing weight. Here's what it is. Prepare. Number 1, you got to prepare in 2 ways. 1, prepare for your success by finding an accountability partner. And you don't have to, do it all legal and professional, whatever, but find someone that is invested in your success, okay? And B, you also have to plan for your meals the night before, okay? Because bad decisions come when you're hungry. Remember that saying? HALT. Don't make any decisions when you're hungry, angry, lonely, or tired. HALT. Hungry, angry, lonely, or tired. Bad decisions. Whenever you're really tired, you're hungry, lonely, angry, you make bad decisions, and you kind of go back to the old paradigm where it's just like, oh, I love Reese's, I'm eating Reese's, it's there, So, but prepare the night before, okay? Tomorrow starts today. So plan to lose weight, right? So here's the thing. I planned, and here's how I did it. When I planned and I prepared, right? Number 1, let me start over. If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. If you don't have a plan, you're just going to be led astray by every little thing that comes your way. You're going to see all these, Reese's in the store, Reese's cups. You're going to see all kinds of candy bars and gluten garbage and muffins and whatever. And I don't eat gluten, but a lot of you out there, you don't have a problem with, you're not a celiac like me, or you're not going gluten-free, but you don't realize that's a huge problem in your life. And we're going to talk about that next. But we're going to talk about prepare. Here's the thing. Preparing the night before, because you're setting up for success by preparing your meals the night before. If you are like me and you don't have a fridge or stove and you don't have anywhere to keep your stuff, you don't have anywhere to make food, and COVID-19, this is crazy, but if I can do it, anybody can. So if you're like me, and you don't have those things, then it becomes a lot more challenging. But you can do it, okay? You can do it. Believe me, there's way, like when I want oatmeal, I can just go over to Starbucks and they'll give me a free hot water. So there you go. No excuses, right? But you got to prepare the night before. Some of you do have stove. So if you can cook the night before, that's even better. Cook it. You can make a bunch of stuff, free stuff, and boom, you got all your meals set out, put them in the freezer, and you can take a meal out, pop it in the microwave, or take it out the night before if you have to, and thaw it out, whatever. But prepare, that's the point, okay? So prepare your portions, though. Prepare your portions. Prepare, tell yourself, this is exactly what I want. Say I want chicken, broccoli, and I want for a snack, I want a protein bar, like a Laura bar, right? That's what you want, and, like a cup of greens. Cup of arugula. That's a pretty good meal, right? So if that's what you want, you prepare it. You say, I want a cup of this. I'm going to take 3 ounces of chicken or whatever, like a handful, whatever. You don't have to weigh it. But just, you're going to take and you're going to eat, like, say I'm going to eat 3 or 4 pieces of broccoli, whatever. I'm going to eat that. You put it there, and you put your Laura bar in the fridge or wherever you put it. And you got that, but another thing is, we're going to talk about water and drinking, and don't drink while you're eating, okay? Because it confuses your system. But you have all your stuff, that's prepared. You have that meal 1, meal 2, meal 3, you got little, whatever it is, everything that you're eating for the day, you're going to plan it out, and you're going to have exact portions, and you're going to have that all ready the night before, okay? If you're like me, I can't necessarily prepare the portions the night before. I have to get fresh food. As you know, I don't have a stove, fridge, or home, so I have to go in the store, and I have to portion it out as soon as I get it, take the food out, what I want to eat, get that ready, and it's a big process, but it can be more challenging for me because I'm out here. But if I can do it, you can do it, okay? So prepare. So that's number 1. Prepare your food. Actually, if we're going in order of most important, that would be number 2. Number 1, prepare to have someone who is invested in your success. Prepare to have a partner. And like I said, it could be your grandma. It could be your mom. It could be your dad. It could be your best friend. It has to be somebody, though, that really wants you to succeed. So prepare. And like I said, I have my grandma. So, I would call my grandma and we would talk. She knew I wanted to lose weight, and usually she would be the one to initiate the conversation, and she would be like, so Liberty, what are you going to eat tonight? What is your snack going to be? Or, oh, you know what, Liberty, here's a good snack for you, right? She would tell me good things to eat, and that were healthy, that would fill me up, but that would also be good for my diet, and it would be healthy for me. Filling things like strawberries and yogurt. I would put a bunch of strawberries in my yogurt, and that would be my night. I looked forward to that every night, So that's something right there, is that having somebody that really cares about you, that is invested in your success. Okay? So there you go. Prepare. Number 1. That's number 1 tip for losing weight is prepare by having someone who is invested in your success. Okay? And number 2 is plan your meals and your portions and what you're going to eat the night before. So plan. Okay? Number 2, eliminate. So number 1, eliminate unsupportive people or people that just have no value in your life. Eliminate the people that are like, oh, here you go. Here's a big muffin. I know you're trying to lose weight. Oh, here's a 12-pack of cookies. You don't want those type of people in your life because they're setting you up to fail. They want you to fail because then it gives them reasons to keep their excuses. And some people, even though you could see it, they seem like they're well-meaning, and they're not necessarily trying to stop you, but they're not supporting you either. Just like gluten garbage. Just like garbage like muffins and stuff that has no value to your life. It's just a filler. Get rid of the people that are just fillers, okay? Get rid of the people that are fillers, okay? And so get rid of the gluten. That's number 2. When it comes to elimination, get rid of the gluten. Get rid of gluten garbage. Get rid of as much. I would say get rid of all of it, but slowly. Start slowly. That's my advice. Start slowly. If you feel like you need a piece of toast in the morning with your peanut butter, then fine, do that, okay? But get rid of, unnecessary, get rid of the cookies. Just, take it all out of the house. If you want to take the island, burn the boat. Get rid of all the cookies, get rid of all the trash, anything, pretzels, anything that has gluten in it, it's all garbage, it's all fillers. It literally means glue, which is to hold together, and that's all it's doing. And gluten has no nutritional value. So get rid of all the garbage, pastas, anything like that. There's so many things that you can eat. There's so many things that you don't even have to eat gluten-free, but there's so many things like bean pasta. So many things that can replace that. And really, I don't even have a need for any gluten-free products really anymore because one, most of it has sugar and it fills me up too much. I have other things that fill me up, like vegetables. So I eat a lot of vegetables. So there you go. And I eat tuna. I eat other fish now. I'm not a vegan anymore. But I suggest just getting rid of all the gluten. And then the other thing is it's a quick way to help you lose weight very quickly and a lot of weight, which is getting rid of sugary drinks. And I said soda, but there's people that don't drink soda. They just drink coffee or they just drink energy drinks. They have a lot of sugar in them, and so does alcohol. So if you're an alcoholic like me, I'm an ex-alcoholic, and in 9 days on the 23rd, I'll have 13 years clean and sober. So when I quit drinking, that really helped lose a lot of weight, So there you go. There's your tips. Eliminate people that are like fillers. They have no value to your life. They are not supporting you in your journey, in your health journey. I would say weight loss, but in your health journey, they are not supporting. They're either trying to give you garbage like food and stuff, or they're just not encouraging you at all. They're not doing anything to add value to your life. And then eliminate gluten garbage, and eliminate anything gluten, anything which is breads, pastas, all types of. There's other things too, but we'll talk about that later. And then also eliminate any sugary drinks such as alcohol, caffeine, well, it doesn't even have to be, it could be caffeine free, but sugary drinks, alcohol, coffee, whether it's calf or decaf, any type of sugary drinks like soda, Gatorade has a lot of sugar, anything like that, energy drinks, anything that you're drinking that has a lot of smoothies, milkshakes, anything that you're just, because it goes in so quick, it's like heroin. All that sugar, it just goes in so quick. It's easy to drink it and lose track of how much you're actually drinking and how much sugar you're actually consuming. But you'd be surprised how quickly the weight comes off when you stop drinking soda and things like that. So, there you go. And we're going to come back and we're going to finish up and we're going to tell you we're going to recap with the last tip, and then we're going to end the show, okay? We're back. So, you're worth it. So, here is the last recap of the tips. So, we said eliminate. We talked about that. Eliminate unsupportive people. People that are like fillers that have no value. Fillers that have no value, like sugary drinks and gluten. And then also, this is the most important, prepare. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So you are going to succeed, and I am going to see to that, okay? I'm here to show you that you can do it, and I'm with you on your health journey, okay? This is very important. Prepare by planning your meals and your portions the night before, and prepare for success by finding someone who is invested in that success, okay? And you'll find the way, okay? So tomorrow starts today. Plan to lose weight. Find someone who is invested in your success. Check it out. I found out that when you have a specific plan and tracking, you are 50% more likely to succeed. When you declare that plan to others, you are 65% more likely to succeed. And when you have a partner, one person that you are accountable to, that you have to show up for, then guess what? Your success skyrockets to 95%. Your odds of success skyrocket to 95% when you have an accountability partner. So that's what I'm here for, and that is why I created Healthy Hustle. Okay, so Healthy Hustle. I am in nutrition school. I'm going to be a nutritionist in less than 3 months. And I lost 250 pounds. And I also cured myself with God of cancer by mindset and diet. So I'm going to help you lose weight and be healthy with Healthy Hustle. And we start in 2 days. I am so excited about this. Finally, my life purpose is finally coming together. And all of my adversity is my advantage, and that advantage is for you. I want to prevent your pain. So let's do this together. Healthy Hustle starts on Wednesday. We will have live workouts this Wednesday. The 16th we start, okay? December 16th, 2020, we start Healthy Hustle. You will have a live Zoom call with me on a workout every week. You will have a live Facebook with me every single week. And that's only for members. You will also have a live coaching call with me. So that's 3 calls per week The access to the Facebook group starts next week because this week is a free trial. So the first week is free. You get 3 live streams a week. And you also get a DM from me every week, and you get 2 PDFs with all these things that you can do. One's a workbook for you, and the other one is also, I have created a PDF with tips for losing weight and being healthy and active. And they're all in this functional foods, functional fun workouts, and are all in this PDF that I created for you. And also, part of your fee goes to charity, which is helping kids get free healthy lunches and workouts in school. So here's my offer to you. Free Healthy Hustle this week, starting on Wednesday, is free this week. So, but next week it's going to be $60. And like I said, $60 a month for the whole month. $60, which is so much value. You guys are going to get so much, and I'm going to be with you every step of the journey. So it'll be $60, which is, I know you might say, oh, that's a lot. But if you really want it, you'll find the way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. So find the way, invest in you, because you're worth it. The links are below, and you can also talk to me about it live on Likey. I go live twice a day, once at 7:30 Pacific time and once at 4 p.m. Pacific time. Click the link below to join Healthy Hustle. You're worth it. Thank you. This is a new segment, the Fan of the Week. Thank you so much, Ryan Henson, for this beautiful testimonial. You really touched me. I was crying when I read this. Liberty v. Justice has inspired me in so many ways. She is truly a helpful person who wants nothing better than watching you succeed. In her hardest times, she found her passion, which is helping others. She is infinite in value and deserves everything. She served in the Army, has suffered through many things, and despite all this, she still helps us whenever possible. Liberty has inspired me to conquer the world of music, and for that, I am forever grateful. She made me a better person and encouraged me to do things I wouldn't have done without her by my side. She has helped me maintain my 4.7 GPA in school by motivating me nonstop and is now helping me lose weight with her fitness class called Healthy Hustle. Liberty, you mean so much to me, and everyone is so proud of your accomplishments. You have helped me become a better person and inspired me. This isn't just me. She has helped endless amounts of people. We all love you, and thank you, Liberty. By Ryan Henson. Thank you, Ryan, so much. I really appreciate you. I love you so much, man. I've never met this kid in person, but he is amazing. Go follow him on social media. I'm going to put his link below. And if you want to be the fan of the week, then simply do a review for us in Apple Podcasts. We really appreciate you. You are infinite in value. And be sure to join the Healthy Hustle class or any of my live streams on Likey. All my links are below. Thank you so much. Just talk to me, guys. I just want to talk to you. I want to know who you are. What's your name? My name is Liberty v. Justice. There's no period in my V's. My victories never end. And yours don't have to either, my friends. I'm here to watch you succeed. Thank you so much.